Welcome in the intuitive kitchen. I like to show you a whole food sauce which I will prepare and show you what I put in, and with no oil, and it will go over this rice dish. This is lotus rice with red lentils and some green beans, and it has carrots and fennel in here.
Wow, smells
and
good.
Then I put curry and turmeric and cumin in here too.
Great.
So this is this, and here we have a tomato and some diced garlic and some of the fennel, and this is really great peppermint from the garden. I just got it in, and this is hemp seeds.
Right.
So I will cut this a little bit because I will do it in the personal blender. Just make it a little bit smaller. First I have some purified water. I just kind of get this a little bit more liquid, and then we load it in. I have here some salt, a little bit of salt, and some of the chia seeds put in here, and then we put
the fennel,
this all
tomato,
in, and then I fill it up with water so it's nice and can nicely blend. Put the blades on, and here we have the personal blender. So here we have that sauce, a whole food sauce, no oil. And this is how it looks.
Wow.
It's nice. It's like,
It's a lot too.
yeah, it's more than one thing in this. And then a few homegrown sprouts. And this could be a wonderful dinner.
Yes.
It's really healthy, all whole foods and organic. So, bon appetit.